Hey future doctors, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Odisha MBBS Round 3 cutoff released by OJEE. We'll actually look at the highest closing rank category wise trends and what these numbers mean for your chances in the next upcoming round. So stay tuned till the end. So I'll just say after the Odisha NEET UG Round 3 cutoff and the admission process, there will be a stray vacancy round basically. So people, you can just have a fair and a transparent idea based on Odisha NEET UG round 3 cutoffs for the upcoming round, and that round will be a stray vacancy round. Over here, we have just mentioned the highest closing rank category wise, open category, scheduled caste with no subcategory, and scheduled tribe with no subcategory. Talking about EWNO category, यहाँ आप देख रहेंगे the column is unfilled. Reason because this particular category has been filled. Okay, this particular category has been filled in round 2 only. That's why they are empty. Fine. So let me actually deep dive college by college. So over here you can have a look onto the college BB Medical College and Hospital, Balangir. So the highest closing rank for the open category student with no subcategory, it's 872. Okay, talking about the highest closing rank for scheduled tribe with no subcategory, it's 2478. And talking about highest closing rank for scheduled tribe with no subcategory, it's 4019. Herein, you can have a look onto all the colleges. It's DRIEMS, Institute of Health Sciences and Hospital, Herar Pari. Okay. So over here, you can just have a look. The opening rank, I'll just say the highest closing rank. Okay. For the open category students with no subcategory, it's 2013. Now over here, this is for scheduled caste students. Okay, for those students who belongs to SC category with no subcategory, highest closing rank is 3631, and the highest closing rank for scheduled tribe candidates with no subcategory, it's 5321. So based on these particular rank, you can just have an idea for the upcoming stray rounds. FM Medical College and Hospital, Balasore. Herein you can have a look for the open category students, it's 710. For ST category students, it's 2829. For ST category students, it's 4244. Please have a look onto the Government Medical College. It's Kyonjhar. It's 1060 for the open category students, 3054 for scheduled caste students, SC category students, and 4330, the highest closing rank for the ST category students. Followed by Government Medical College, Sundargarh. It's 1163 for the open category students, 3084 for ST category students, and 4343 for ST category students. Have a look onto all other colleges also. Fine. Herein you can have a look. JK Medical College and Hospital, Jajpur. The highest closing rank for the admission to MBBS program for open category students, it's 1034, and the highest closing rank for ST category students is 2974, and the highest closing rank for ST category students is 4227. Just have a look onto the all other colleges mentioned over here in the list for you people. Fine. So over here you can just have a look. SLN Medical College and Hospital, Koraput. It's 1104 for the open category students, the highest closing rank, 3044. Okay. It's the highest closing rank for the ST category students. 4179 is the highest closing rank for the ST category students. Now for this college, EWS category rank, if I just talk about the highest closing rank for EWS category students, it's 1147. You can just have a look. Yes, I also want to mention this PRM Medical College, wherein the EWS category students highest closing rank, it was 1122. Just have a look. Okay, one by one, which will give you a good idea. Now let me talk about the BDS program, Odisha Round 3 Cutoff, Home State. So it's a High-Tech Dental College, Bhubaneswar. For the open category students, the highest closing rank, it was 3137. Okay, for ST category student, it is 3899, and for ST category students, it's 5439. And talking about SCB Dental College, Cuttack, it's 1661. Okay. For open category students, fine. And SCNO for SC category students is 3331. For ST category students, it's 4543. And for EWS category students, it's 1704 people. Fine. So what I literally want to talk about, that this gives a complete overview of the Odisha MBBS round 3 cutoffs. You can clearly see how the competition tightening up as we move closer to the final rounds. If you didn't get a seat this time, don't lose hope. The next round might just be your breakthrough. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected here for the instant updates on the Odisha MBBS stray round counseling and the final cutoff trends. See you in the next video, and good luck to all the aspirants.